ba mo yung bahay mo, shout out to Unofficial Yani Vlog. Shout out Happy Horizon, mega love shout out. How are you? Ayan, thank you host. First, second active accounts. Wow, congratulations. First and second active accounts you have. Ayan, thank you so much. I'm here in kitchen. Ayan, pwede. Oo, pwede. Bawal naman na itapon. Mapapakinabangan pa naman. Ayan, mapapakilan. Mountain, mountain man is second. Ayan, thank you so much. I will give you a jacket. Ayan. Ay, may jacket ka na. Thank you, host, for our jacket. And thank you so much for tuning us on official Yani Vlog Live and Alive. Ayan, connect to Learn Steve Vlog together with Patrick's Variety Vlogs, together with my members, Kuya Nepons and Heart Mix Vlog. Ayan, connect to others, guys. We need to respond them. And even though I working here, I do my best to visit all of you and I will give you ads to those monetized channel. I will give you ads a full watch. Ayan, Learn Steve Vlog. I will see your channel. Oh, I'm done. I'm done, Learn Steve Vlog. I, I, Mountain, I will go to you together with Happy Harrison. Ma'am Patrice Variety Vlog, I'm done. Tapos na ako, Ma'am Patrice, ha, yung cover song. Alam, napunta na kay Tulpo. Ayan, Happy Harrison, I will go to you. Yan, starting to play with you and together with Mountain Man, I will go to you, Mountain Man. Lerm Steve Vlog, puntahan ulit kita mamaya ha. Tapusin ko lang tong dalawa, Mountain Man at saka si Happy Harrison. First and second account. Okay, both of them I will watching you pull pack, Mountain Man and Happy Harrison. Ayan, keep on tuning as an official Yanni Vlog today. So, ano ko lang itong mga ano natin. Kasi sayang ito kung hindi natin ayos. Sarang. Balik ko natin. Balik ko naman. Tanggalin ko na lang kayo. Ayan, mayroon pa. Dito ko ilapin sa kapit. Ayan. Diyan. Kasi sayang. Ito, dito na lang sa baba. Kasi ang ganda po paglagyan ng mga makintang. Pati mga straw. Pati yung mga ano ng mga selecta ice cream. Yung mga ice cream tinatabi ko kasi pwedeng paglagyan mga karne. Para isang ano na lang. Tapos ito. Paglagyan na may handaan, mga nag-uuwi. Mga Sharon. Ganon. Diba? Mga Sharon tuwing may party o di mayroon ng paglagyan. Ayun, shout out. May nag shout out. Oh, my chat. Who you by the way? Ayan, Mountain Man is second. Ayaw nag shout out. Still watching. May jacket ka na. Bakit ano? Saan mo siya? May nag shout out. Ang init. Tayo ay pinagpawis.